Pakistan studies the history of subcontinent. The main characteristics of the Indus Valley civilizations is the drainage system. जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन था उनमें जो मेन करेक्टर था जो उनकी पहचान हुई जाती थी वो उसका मतलब कि उसमें ड्रेनेज सिस्टम बहुत होता था. द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ पीपल ऑफ इंडस वैली वाज एग्रीकल्चर. Which one of the following archaeologists initially discovered the Mohenjo-daro site of the Indus Valley civilization? Rakhaldas Banerjee. Which one of the following elements of Hinduism were practiced in the Indus Valley civilization? Cult of Shiva. The Great Bath of Indus Valley civilization was discovered in Mohenjo-daro. Which metal was not known on the Indus Valley people? Iron. Nomad men started setting in Neolithic age. The earliest evidence of silver in India is found in Harappan culture. The period when men used both stones and copper tools is known as a Metal Age. The Indus Valley civilization is known as a Per-Aryan civilization because of the evidence of a script. The greatest invention of the men in the Paleolithic age is fire. The script in the Indus Valley civilization was Dravidian. The Indus Valley peoples knew the use of gold, silver, copper, bronze, but not iron. The Indus Valley peoples had trade relations with Mesopotamia. The Indus Valley houses were built of bricks. The Indus Valley civilizations flourished during the 3000 to 500 BC. The Indus Valley peoples worshipped Mother of Goddess. The Aryan at first settled in Punjab. Which of the following craftsmen was not practiced by the Aryan? Blacksmith. Brahmans are books that deals with ritualism. The Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1902. The Lothal civilization was known as a drainage system. Mohenjo-daro is known as a mound of dead. Which color was commonly used in Harappan pottery? Red. Cultural history. Amir Kharo's name is associated with the invention of sitar. The most famous court poet of Akbar was Abdur Rahim Khana. Which Mughal ruler is called Prince of Builder? Shah Jahan. The sculpture of the Gandhra school reflect the influence of the Greeks. Which of the following was built by Akbar? Agra Fort. The Red Fort of Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. The Mughal painting reached its zenith during the region of Jahangir. Gandhra School of Art was established in northwestern India. Taxila was famous site of Gandhra art. The Red Fort of Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. The Mughal painting reached its zenith during the region of Jahangir. Gandhra School of Art was established in northwestern India. Text of Qutub Minar was completed by Iltutmish. A famous history book in India was written in the 11th century by Al-Biruni. Which Sufi saint's dargah is at Ajmer Chishti? Gandhra School of Art developed during the time of Khasans. Baland Darwaza is situated in Fatehpur Sikri. Nishat Garden was built by Jahangir, who built Charminar. Quli Qutub Shah. Baland Darwaza built by Akbar is to commemorate the victory of Gujarat. The Sher Shah is at Sasaram. Who among the following rulers banned music and dancing? Aurangzeb. Who among the following was great musicians in the court of Akbar? Tansin. Fatehpur Sikri was founded by Akbar. Jamia Masjid Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. Which are the following forts built by Akbar? Which are the following fort built by Akbar? ये आप बताएं कि कौन सा, मुझे कमेंट में बताएं कि कौन सा फोर्ट अकबर ने बिल्ड किया था। पुराना किला दिल्ली was constructed during the region of Humayun. The tomb of Babur is at Kabul. Qutub Minar was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Jahangir Mahal is located in Agra Fort. The city of Agra was founded by Sikandar Lodi. The account of Babur life, Tuzuk-e-Baburi, was written in Turkey. The Mansa Badri system was introduced by Akbar. The capital of Mughal Empire was shifted from the Agra to Delhi by Shah Jahan. Peacock throne was made for Shah Jahan. The East India Company was founded in the India during the reign of Jahangir. The Sikh Guru who was fought Mughals was Guru Gobind Singh. The Mughal Empire in India was founded by Zahir Uddin Babur. When Akbar was young, his guardian was Bairam Khan. Two Mughal rulers who wrote their own memoirs are Babur and Jahangir. The court language of the Mughals was Persian. Who found Deen-e-Ilahi? Akbar. Babur Qaid. Foundation of Mughal Empire is 152 years, defeating Ibrahim Lodi. Deen-e-Ilahi was executed by Bible. Babur won the first battle of Panipat mainly because of his military skills. The Jizya was abolished by Akbar, who introduced currency systems in the first times. Sher Shah Suri, which Mughal emperor was the most secular in outlook Akbar. When did Babur die? Agra. Where did Babur install the chain of justice? Jahangir. Before the rise of Ranjit Singh, Punjab was under the